The demand for professional-grade cabinet finishes has surged as homeowners move away from brush marks toward factory-smooth surfaces. Much like typists and gamers obsess over actuation force and ergonomic layouts, DIYers now seek sprayers with precise switch-type triggers and balanced weight distribution. This guide evaluates sprayers based on automation consistency, build quality, cleanability, control layout. Product number 1. Paint Sprayer, High Efficiency Electric. This versatile electric paint sprayer establishes itself as the mechanical keyboard of the DIY world, reliable, tactile, and designed for consistent output. It is widely favored by homeowners for its ability to handle a variety of materials, from thin stains to thicker latex paints, without requiring excessive thinning. The switch-type trigger is engineered for progressive resistance, allowing users to feather the paint flow gently, which is critical when coating narrow cabinet styles. In terms of build quality, the unit typically features a pure copper nozzle core, which resists corrosion and wear far better than plastic alternatives. This durability ensures that the spray pattern remains consistent over long projects, preventing the dreaded spitting that ruins smooth finishes. The layout is user-centric, often featuring a tool-free disassembly design that splits the motor from the nozzle assembly, making the cleanup process, often the most hated part of painting, surprisingly fast. Value is driven by its comprehensive kit, usually including multiple nozzle sizes, for example 1.5mm for fine finish and 2.5mm for walls. It serves as an excellent all-rounder. For the gamer mindset, the adjustable flow control knob acts like a DPI switch, allowing you to dial in precision for detailed cabinet work or crank it up for broad coverage on fence panels, making it a highly adaptable tool for the garage arsenal. Product number 2. HomeRite C8000971.A Super Finish Max. The HomeRite Super Finish Max is the gold standard for cabinet enthusiasts, comparable to a high-end custom chassis in the PC world. It is specifically revered for its HVLP high-volume, low-pressure turbine technology, which minimizes overspray and maximizes transfer efficiency. This makes it the ideal choice for indoor cabinet projects where masking off the entire kitchen is a hassle. Build quality is exceptional, utilizing brass spray tips instead of plastic. These brass components offer superior precision and longevity, ensuring a factory-like finish that feels professional to the touch. The layout is self-contained. With the turbine built into the handheld unit, there are no heavy hoses to drag around, offering the freedom of movement a wireless mouse provides. The switch-type trigger is light and responsive, reducing hand fatigue during marathon painting sessions. Its value proposition lies in its ability to spray unthinned paints. With 450 watts of power, it handles thicker chalk and milk paints with ease, which are popular for cabinet refurbishing. The inclusion of 3 spray tips, colors coded for easy identification, allows users to switch modes instantly, catering to the typist who values efficiency and workflow. It is a dedicated tool that prioritizes finish quality above all else. Product number 3. Paint Sprayer Tool 1000-watt high-power electric spray paint gun. The 1000-watt high-power sprayer is the overclocked beast of the lineup, prioritizing raw performance and speed. With a motor nearly twice as powerful as standard units, it delivers a high-pressure atomization that obliterates paint particles into a fine mist. This is the sprayer for users who want to get the job done fast, appealing to the gamer who values high frame rates and responsiveness. The layout is dominated by its massive 1400 milliliter paint container, significantly larger than the standard 1000 milliliter cups. This design choice reduces the downtime spent refilling, allowing for uninterrupted gameplay. The build quality includes a robust ventilation design to prevent motor overheating during extended use. The switch type feels industrial, with a solid click that engages the high wattage turbine instantly. For value, this tool is a budget-friendly powerhouse. It includes a rich set of accessories including 4 nozzle sizes and a viscosity cup. Its easy-to-clean claim is backed by a fully detachable design, allowing you to flush the system quickly. While it may be louder than the HomeRite, much like a clicky mechanical switch, the sheer speed and coverage it offers make it a top contender for large kitchen projects where time is of the essence.
Product number 4. Inocraft Paint Sprayer. The Inocraft Paint Sprayer is the ergonomic specialist, designed with a focus on handling and finesse. Often cited for its balance, it sits comfortably in the hand, reducing wrist strain, a feature that resonates with typists who understand the importance of ergonomics. It is particularly noted for its smooth finish capabilities, making it a strong candidate for detailed cabinet doors and drawers. Build quality is highlighted by its Bob Vila Award winner pedigree, featuring a durable housing and a reliable motor that provides consistent pressure. The layout includes a smart adjustable air cap that allows you to switch between vertical, horizontal, and circular spray patterns effortlessly. This flexibility is crucial for navigating the complex geometry of cabinet frames and molding. The value comes from its beginner-friendly nature. The switch type features a flow control dial located directly on the trigger guard, allowing for on-the-fly adjustments without changing your grip. It is quiet, efficient, and produces minimal overspray, making it a safe choice for those new to spraying who want to avoid a messy learning curve. It's the plug-and-play option of the group.
Product number 5. HVLP Paint Sprayer, Gravity Feed Pneumatic Style. This HVLP, high-volume, low-pressure paint sprayer, represents the purist's choice, often favoring a gravity feed design that requires an external air compressor. This setup is the custom loop water cooling of paint sprayers, requiring more gear but delivering the ultimate performance. It is designed for the perfectionist who demands a glass-smooth, mirror-like finish on their cabinets. The layout typically places the paint cup on top, using gravity to feed the material into the nozzle. This ensures that every drop of paint is used and allows for easier maneuvering into tight corners. Build quality is often all-metal, aluminum gun body, providing a rugged, substantial feel that plastic electric sprayers cannot match. The switch type is a dual-action trigger that controls both air and paint flow independently, offering a level of control that appeals to the pro gamer sensibility. Infinite adjustability for the perfect shot. Value is found in its precision. While it requires an air compressor, the gun itself is often affordable and produces the least amount of overspray, saving money on expensive cabinet paints. It is the definitive tool for the final top coat where flaws are not an option.